Here's the best way to lace Old Skool Vans in a loose lace style that will just slip on. Begin by taking your lace and threading this lace end down into the very bottom eyelet here from above, not up from underneath. Pull that through. Then pop that one out of the way. Take this lace end and we're going to do the same. Thread it down into the very bottom eyelet on this side from above, not from underneath. And pull that one all the way through. Make sure there are no twists. Then bring your two lace ends together and we're going to make sure they're the same length. So just take a moment to adjust them. Mine definitely aren't the same length. If you got it on the first try, then well done. That's super hard. And then once they're of the same length, go ahead and pop this one out of the way. Swap back to this one. And we're going to bring it over the tongue of your Vans, down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side now. Just like that. And you want to leave it slightly loose, not too much, but just a little there, so there's some slack on the lace. Then swap to the other one. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into that eyelet. On the other side from above, again leaving a little bit of slack. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next eyelet, the third one up from the bottom on that side. Make sure there's a little bit of looseness. Swap back to the other one, do the same on the other side. Third eyelet up from the bottom. Now if you need to slow down a little bit, you can play the video on a slower speed or you can just keep pausing. Take your time, make sure to get it right. There's no rush. Pop that one out of the way. Now we're going to keep a hold of this one, bring it over and into the fourth eyelet up from the bottom on this side. From above, just like we've been doing, leaving a little bit of slack, like that. Swap back to the other one, same on the other side. Looking good. Keep a hold of it, bring it over into the next available eyelet, pull it through, making sure there's no twists. Swap it over, grab the other one, same on the other side, down into from above, pulling it through, just making sure we're leaving a little bit of slack here. Keep a hold of this one and down into the next available eyelet on that side. Pull it through. And we're doing really well, getting close to the end of our pattern here, so just keep going. Swap back to the other lace, down into this eyelet here. Nice, keep a hold of it. Into the next eyelet, so I'm at the second one down from the top now. And do the same on the other side. And just take a second to make sure there's a little bit of slack in all of those so you'll be able to slip your foot in easily. And now we're going to do something a little bit different. For the very top eyelets here. We're going to go up into them from underneath this time. So just pull your laces through, swap back to the other one. Pull it through. And now we're going to finish it by doing a loose lace style at the top. So just go ahead and pull that lace back through, round about until you have this much lace left. Or however much you think looks good. For me, I think about this much looks okay. Do the same on the other side, pulling it through until you've got same amount. Just make sure they're the same length and they're looking good. Then these loose bits of lace here, we're literally just going to take them back and tuck them behind the sneaker tongue here. Now these will just sit on top of your foot and they won't cause any trouble at all. And it means you'll be able to just slip on your Vans without the need for tying them at all. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have laced up your Old Skool Vans in a cool way. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. Thank you.